Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT preparation, Meritor Excellence questions. This is question 46, most likely the last of this series. Anyway, this last question that I wrote for you guys is this one here. As usual, you know what to do, but this is quite a nasty exponential equation. I thought I'll put it in here anyway, just for any of those guys that just want a question that's really out there, kind of, yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. Anyway, usual drill, pause the video, see how far you can actually do this question, and then I'll go through the answers. Alright, so a couple of ways you can actually do this question, guys. Even if you don't know where to start off from, I want to give you guys a bit of a clue. Like, I guess, you know, when you would have started this, most of you might have done this. You'd have gone 2x squared. Instead of 16, you would have put it as 2 to the power of 4 is less than 1. Now, something useful to remember is this. When you have the number 1, well, actually, no, you know that 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power of 2 equals 4, and so on, right? But what you should also know is 2 to the power of 0 equals to 1. Okay? So the reason I'm putting that there is because you can actually, sorry guys, so where were we? Right, we had 2 to the power of x squared divided by 2 to the power of 4 is less than, now 1 can be written as 2 to the power of 0. Okay, because we have two numbers with the same basis and we're dividing it, we can write this as 2 to the power of x squared minus 4 is less than 2 to the power of 0. Now from here we can see that this blue box should be less than this little blue box, which is 0. Now if you've been watching some of the previous questions, you know what I'm doing here. So I can rewrite this as x squared minus 4 has to be less than 0. You can factorize x squared minus 4 as x minus 2, and x plus 2 has to be less than 0. Now remember, whenever you're dealing with a quadratic and if it's less than a number, it's always a good idea to draw a graph. Okay, this is a parabola. It's a positive parabola, so it's going to look like this. You're going to have your x-axis that cuts across like that, which means the y value above the x-axis are positive, below the x-axis is negative. So in other words, is when we say we're looking for less than 0, we're actually looking for this particular zone here. And we know what the two numbers are because we've got x equals x minus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. So we can say x is equal to 2 or x equals minus 2. Now the minus 2 is that value there, the plus 2 is that value there. So for what values of x is this equation less than 1, we can actually say that the value for any value between negative 2 and x and less than positive 2. So tricky question, as I said to you guys before, but look, I don't know if the question this hard will come in, but it's always good to have this in your sleeve. But anyway guys, that's basically it from me for this 2017 MCAT preparation. Thank you for all the kind words that you guys have actually said on YouTube, on the comment section. It's just kind of kept me going. Thank you for all the kind words for my kid. Yeah, he's still sick. In fact, I gotta go back soon. So yeah, and as for tomorrow, or if you're doing the MCAT on Thursday, just make sure you don't leave any question empty. Make sure you attempt every question possible. Alright, do not leave any questions empty, guys, because sometimes you get a little achieved question mark from just something really basic that you could be doing. Alright, cool, that's it from me. Last time I'd say this, feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will try and get some more questions on tables equations later on in term 4. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. That's it from me. Good luck. Yeah.